welcome to my video. This is on how to make an origami flower. This. Popeye. Okay. So if you wanted to make this origami flower, keep watching. If not, you don't have to watch. Anyways, all you need is paper. You could start with one, but you need five. Five papers. So, once you get it, then you fold it in a triangle like this. Once you've gotten that, you get these corners right here, these, and fold them. Wow. Let me fold this. Fold them to this corner, like this. There's one. And you do the same thing to the other side, like this. So it was first like that, then that. Once you've gotten this, you you take it and here, let me do it like this. So you fold that to there, like that. Tiong, tiong. Okay? So you do the same thing, of course, to the other side. Bam. There. So it should look like this. Okay. Then this part's a little tricky. So now go like this. Make it closer. This. You open it. Let me open it. Like this. And then you push down the middle. Like, wow, can I do it? This, it should be like this. So, like that. But bam! There's that. There's what it should look like. Okay, and then do it to the other side. So, open it. And push. Bam, bam. Like this. Okay, now these, as you can see, go over. You don't fold them this way, fold it this way. As so. Like that. You don't want to fold it all the way down, just like that, so there's nothing there. Like that. That. And then, other side. This. Wait. No. This. Okay, I'm doing it down here. Like that. As so. So it should look like this now. Or better. So now, as this, there's a crease. Creases right there. You fold it like this. Fold it like that. Just like this. See that? Okay. Other side. Bam. Probably the easiest step so far. There. So, fold. Like this. So it should look like this. Now, you just connect them like this, and you can make the petal kind of big if you want to. So now for this, you just need paper and glue. There you have it. Here's a petal, but about this you have to do petal by petal by petal, and so on. There you go. You could do it as big as you want. You could do it as small as you want. And then your ending. See, I think I just did the red one. Oh, I did a few petals. I did this, and this is with the crease inside of it. See the difference there? I like this one. And then once you're done with all the petals, all 5 or 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, or more, so like this, like this. Alright, so when it looks like this, I'm gonna go like that. You could see it in this. Whoa. Or this. This. Ooh, cool. Let me just go back to normal there. Here it is. It makes a good gift. It could be a cute hair. No. You could try and attach a stick to it. I did that for my teacher. I put a stick and gave it to her. I gave this to my mom for her birthday. Her birthday was yesterday. She loved it. She probably loved it because I'm her daughter, and she probably supposed to say that. Hopefully she actually loved it. But, yeah. It's not that time consuming. This video is pretty time consuming, but I'm kind of explaining it while I go. But that's how you make an origami flower. As easy as that. If you didn't get all the steps, if I went a little fast, I'm sorry. You could always rewind and start over. If the ending did not look at least kind of like this, yeah, yep. You could do it your way, you could do it a different way, whatever you want. So, thank you so much for taking 8 minutes and 30 seconds to watch this, or how long this is. I have to go, so good luck and enjoy. Peace out.